What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a ride along with my nephew in my modified Honda S2000. Check it out. So we're going to go pick him up, do a little ride along, see what he thinks, and try to get a good reaction of him. So hopefully we can get a pretty good one. Thinking about doing a couple pulls, maybe a donut or something. That way we can get a good reaction, but that's the plan for today, so stay tuned. Pick up my nephew, see what he thinks about the S2000. We're gonna give him a little ride along, like I said, and see what reaction we could get from him. Although he's ridden in my car before, we're gonna try to get the best reaction of him today and see what he thinks. He kind of didn't want to go because I don't know, I think he already knows that we're gonna be driving a little fast today. But we'll see what he says, and then hopefully we can get a good reaction. And well, yeah, let's give him a call, see if he's ready. Hey David, I'm outside already. Let's go. Yeah, we're just gonna drive around right here real quick. Yeah, we'll be back right now. All right then. Bye. Say what?
Go slow. I just ate, Bernie.
Go slow. I just ate, Bernie.
We're gonna go slow. We're gonna do a quick little ride along, and we'll be back. He said he just ate too, so we're gonna go slow today. Right, David?
Yeah.
So this is my little nephew, David. We're gonna see what reaction we're gonna get from him today. Hopefully he likes how the car runs. What do you think, David? This car's fast?
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
What is it? Is it faster than your mom's truck?
Yes.
My sister has a 2020 Silverado, and he says it's faster than her truck, and I think it is. So we'll see. We're gonna drive around, see where we could get a pretty good clip. Here it goes. We're not even gonna go that fast today, bro. There's too many cars. You're gonna want to buy when you could buy a car.
I don't know.
You don't know?
A truck?
A truck? What kind of truck?
Like the one my mom has?
You don't like cars?
Yeah.
pretty good for being NA. I have an exhaust on it, a short ram intake right now. I do run an AEM intake, but as of right now, because of the rain, I'm just running the short one. That's the quick little pulls from my little nephew. Pretty sure he likes the S2000. You can feel the gravity pull you back or what?
Yeah.
You can feel it. Why were y'all scared?
Nah, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were. I don't want to go because you're gonna drive hella fast.
I don't like going fast.
You don't like going fast?
Nah,
Why not?
not really.
Why don't you like going fast, David?
I don't know. I just don't like it.
We could probably do a photo shoot right here too, bruh.
Yeah. Look, there's like donuts right there too.
There is, huh? But we could probably do a little photo shoot right here. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty big. No? I don't think cars are gonna be coming back here.
You like it, David, or what?
Yeah, it's pretty good,
You wasn't ready for that one. Is those pretty good donuts or what, bruh?
but yeah. That was unexpected.
So yeah, guys, this was the little ride along with my nephew. You know, we did a couple pulls, we did a little donut. So what you think? You like it or no?
Yeah, cars are pretty fast.
Would you buy an S2000?
Yeah. Pretty good.
So yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do a ride along with my wife. My wife hates my car because 1, it's too loud, 2, it's too low, and 3, it's only a 2-seater. But I mean, again, it's an S2000, so what do you expect, you know? It's a fun car to drive, in my opinion. I really like it. I've owned it for about 6 years maybe. And the thing I mostly like about it is that it hasn't given me any problems. So, but she totally hates my car. She almost never goes in my car. I drive her Malibu all the time, so we would never drive this car really together. Let me know if you guys want to get a reaction of her, because she pretty much hasn't been in my car for like, I want to say like 2 years, 3 years, and I would like to get a reaction of her in my car. Maybe do a couple pulls, you know, do a couple donuts, see what she thinks, and see if we can get a good reaction. I think we got a pretty good reaction with my nephew on this last part with the donut. So let me know if you guys want to see her video, and that's pretty much it, guys. So we're done doing the little ride along. What'd you think, David?
It was good.
Did you like the donuts?
Yeah.
He liked the donuts, as you get to tell in the video. So let me know if you guys want that other video with my wife. So make sure you guys hit that like, comment, subscribe for more vlogs with the S2000. That's it. Till next time, guys. Peace.